out this cute race car banner, cake topper, and cupcake toppers I designed for my Etsy shop. If you are a crafter, the race car design, the smoke and stop light on the cake topper are right in Cricut Design Space. I design a lot of projects, so I love the access being a member provides for my last minute design ideas. And well, if you are just shopping, this item can be customized. Another string can be added to the banner with a name, and the number on the card can be changed to the age of the person being celebrated. The cake topper can also be personalized. Most of my orders are customized, so feel free to leave a message in the shop explaining what you're looking for, and I will work to make something special for your celebration. But for sure, as always, celebrate life every day. Enjoy the day, everyone.